Hello and welcome to this NetIQ Access Manager demo. In this demo we will show you single sign-on to a SharePoint environment using claim-based authentication. We will show you SSO within the browser as well as the clients that come with it, like Word. So what we see here is a Windows 7 desktop. We'll go straightly to the URL of the SharePoint environment, which redirects us to an Access Manager login screen. Now, this is a customized login screen done by our partner RealOpenIT, in which I can log in using a username password. If this is a domain joined machine and Kerberos has been configured, then this login screen can be avoided using Kerberos as the single sign-on method to authenticate to the access management environment. After logging, we see that we have signed on to SharePoint by using Access Manager and the token has been exchanged. So what we see here is that there's one document. I can show you the versions. We're at version 4 at the moment. And one challenge often is that when you open the document, you'll get extra authentication requests within Word. And here we'll show you that this is not the case when it's configured with a claim-based authentication method. So the document opens. I'll have to enable editing on it. And now I'm able to edit this document and add some text to it. Now, when I select to save the document, it's automatically saved into the SharePoint environment without an extra authentication. So if we go back to the versioning, we'll see that an extra version has been added. I can also first check out this document, which will prevent the first link that I need to select to enable editing. So when I open Word, it is in an editing mode directly. So we can add and change the document as we've seen before. Now if I save this document and I'll close it, the system will request me if I want to check this in, and I have the opportunity to add a comment on that. So let's do this, click OK. And we will see that another version, including a comment, has been added to this document. So at the next version, and you see the comment there. So let's log out of the system, close the browser, and open up the Explorer. I have a link to the SharePoint environment within my Explorer. I see the same document, and you'll see that I'm able to open it without any extra login screens. Directly, it's in an editable mode, so I can change the text again, save the document, and this will be saved in the SharePoint environment, straight from our Explorer without any extra authentication. So if we go back, and I'll first go to the Access Management URL now, which will give me the same login screen. After login, I'm however presented, just to show you the single sign-on, I'm presented with the Access Management default screen. Now, if I now select the SharePoint link, you see that we have a single sign-on, no need to authenticate again. The authentication is forwarded to the SharePoint environment. So let's select the same document, have a look at the versioning, and we'll see that a new version has been created due to the fact that I edited the document through the Explorer directly. So this ends the demo of SharePoint single sign-on and authentication using Access Manager. This is just Access Manager at work, so there's no ADFS configuration or anything like that used, and it uses the token-based authentication. Thank you for your time.